Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh OV. In today's video, we'll talk about a latest off-campus placement opportunity from Infosys. So in this video, we'll discuss about all the things such as the eligibility criteria, the batches eligible for this opportunity, and how will be the exam process, what sections are there in the exam, and the compensation they are offering and the position they are offering. So we'll discuss about all these things in a detailed manner, so please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea about this opportunity. So I will also provide all the links required to apply for this opportunity, and also I will show you a demo like how one can fill that form and submit your application for this opportunity from Infosys. So let's begin. So very firstly we'll talk about Infosys. So Infosys is a Indian information technology company that provides global business consulting and information technology services, and it helps its clients in around 45 countries to create and execute different strategies for their digital transformation, and it helps businesses to renew and improve existing conditions so that their business can achieve higher efficiencies. And talking about the revenue, so the total revenue of Infosys is around $10.9 billion. This is according to financial year 18 and 19. And talking about the chief, so N.R. Narayan Murthy is the current chief of Infosys. So next we'll discuss about this opportunity, like the latest off-campus drive. So the very first thing is what batches are eligible. So all the freshers from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc holders in the streams I will mention in the next slide. So there are multiple streams which are eligible for this opportunity, and who belong to 2019 and 2020 batches can apply for the role of system engineer by filling out the form. So I will provide this link they have mentioned here in the description box, so you can apply for this opportunity from that link. I will also show a kind of a demo like how one can fill that form. So as we have seen, like this off-campus drive is particularly for all the 2019 and 2020 batch graduates from these streams like BE, BTech, ME, MTech and MCA and MSc holders, and make sure you fill that form before 2nd of May. Like the deadline to fill that application form is 2nd of May. So I will provide the link, so fill that form ASAP so that you will be eligible to give the exam of Infosys and get opportunity to get placed in one of the biggest MNCs of India. So next slide is Infosys is conducting an off-campus recruitment drive to hire freshers for the role of a system engineer. So this drive is particularly for the role of a system engineer, and the compensation they are offering for this role is around 3.6 lakh per annum, which is quite good for all the freshers, and additional benefits including health insurance of 4 lakh rupees for a year, and also a life cover of 30 lakh rupees they are offering to all the employees who will be finally selected for this position of a system engineer. So as we saw, like the total compensation is 3.6 LPA. So the next thing is eligibility criteria. So who all are eligible for this opportunity from Infosys? So very firstly, all the BE, BTech holders, ME, MTech holders, graduates from all branches. Like make sure you know that all the BE, BTech, ME, MTech holders, all the streams are eligible for this opportunity, even like computer, IT, ENTC, electrical, civil, mechanical, all these streams are eligible for this opportunity. And talking about the MCA and MSc holders, so there are total 4 streams which are eligible from MCA and MSc. So the streams are computer science, electronics, mathematics and statistics. So these are the 4 streams from MCA and MSc holders who are eligible for this opportunity. So the third eligibility criteria is the academic criteria, which is shared in the next slide. So I will also show you that. So as you can see on your screen right now, so I have shared the eligibility criteria, the educational qualifications. So here they have mentioned a kind of table. So here you can see like the minimum criteria for 10th is 60%, and in 12th also 60%, and if you are a diploma holder then you should have a minimum of 65% of your score, and in BE BTech you should have 65%, and if you have done your ME or MTech then you should have 65% or minimum of 6 CGPA in the respective degrees. So you can take a screenshot of this and later on figure out what is the actual criteria. So here they have mentioned like all percentage CGPA should be simple average for all subjects, semesters, years, including electives, optional subjects, additional subjects, practical subjects and languages. And in case the candidate has done both class 12 and diploma, the best of the two is taken into the consideration. So here they have mentioned if you are if you have also done your 12th and also you have completed your diploma, then the best of both scores will be considered for the drive. So we'll talk about the next eligibility criteria. So as we saw, the all percentage CGPA should be a simple average for all the subjects and the things you have done in your academics. And fifth one is graduates from 2019 and 2020 batches only are eligible to apply. So 2021 batches are not eligible, only 19 and 2020 batches are eligible for this opportunity. And the sixth one is candidates should not have participated in the Infosys Limited and Infosys group companies such as Infosys BPM selection process in the last 6 months. So make sure you haven't attended any of the Infosys drives in the past 6 months, and if you have attended then you are not eligible for this opportunity, so don't apply if you have attended any of the drives in the last 6 months. And the very last eligibility criteria is no active backlog. So there should not be any active backlog while applying for this opportunity. And next we'll see the selection process for these roles will be conducted online in 2 steps. Very firstly they'll go with the online test, and once you clear that online test they'll conduct your virtual interview. So eligible candidates who fill the form within the deadline will undergo Infosys online test. So I will further show you how one can apply for this opportunity and how one can fill that form. So I will provide the link for that form in the description box, so there you can go and click on that link, and I will show you that after once I'm done with the explanation for the recruitment process. So very firstly they'll go with the online test. So we'll talk about the online test now. So the total test duration for the online test will be 100 minutes, and there will be total 5 sections. So we'll discuss all these sections one by one. So the very first section will be reasoning ability, and in this section they'll ask you total 15 questions and give you a time limit of 25 minutes. And in second section they'll ask you technical ability questions, and total number of questions will be 10 and time allocated will be 35 minutes. And the third section will be verbal ability, and they'll ask you total 20 questions for the time limit will be 20 minutes. And the fourth one is pseudocode. So in this section they'll ask you total 5 questions and the time allocated will be 10 minutes. And the very last section will be numerical puzzles, and in this section they'll ask you total 4 questions and give you a time limit of 10 minutes. So this is the total sections involved in the Infosys online test. So make sure you go through all these subsections involved in all these sections. Like you can find all those things in any of the websites in Google. Just go and search Infosys exam, online exam, syllabus and all. So you will find all the sections and like what topics they cover under these sections, what kind of questions they ask. So you'll find all that things. So now we'll see how to actually fill that form. So as we have seen like the online test process and the scenario, like what kind of questions and all sections they cover in the online exam. So next we'll see how actually to fill the form So I have already provided the link in the description box. You can go there and click on that link. So after clicking there, you will find a page like this, which you can see on your screen right now. So just click here, read all these things they have mentioned here, like purpose of processing and personal data collected, data recipients and all. So this is a disclaimer type of a thing. So just go through all these things and click here on the I hereby consent to processing of my personal data by Infosys and click on continue. So after clicking there on continue, you can find a page like this. So here you have to fill like here they have mentioned Infosys recruitment program form, and which is for the position of a system engineer, and you have to fill your university roll number first. After that you have to fill your first name, your middle name, then your last name, then fill your mobile number. After that you have to fill your email ID, then your DOB, your house and street number, and your city, your state, your pin code and your country. So fill all these things, and after filling all these things, just click here on the next page. So after clicking on the next page, you have to fill your educational information, like you have to fill your class 10 details first. After that your country, your state, the name of the board, and the name of your institute, of your 10th institute, and your year of passing. And you have to fill your class 12 details if applicable. This is an optional thing, this is not compulsory. And next you have to fill your diploma things, like this is also optional. You can just, if you are willing to fill, you can fill your 12th and diploma, CGPA, and your university, your board name, your institute name, your year of passing, your specialization. And in question 4 you have to fill your graduation details. So here you have to fill your CGPA/percentage, your country, your state, name of the university, name of the institute, year of passing, your course, your specialization. And the fifth one is post graduation. So if you have done your post graduation, you can fill all the details required. They have mentioned here to fill like CGPA, country, state, name of the university, name of the institute, year of passing. So just go through all these things and fill whatever the information they have asked you to fill. So after filling all this information, just click here on the next page. So after filling all this information, next you will be just redirected to this next page. So here you can see the declaration. Just read all these things they have mentioned here in the declaration and go through like all the questions, like I agree that I have read, understand and agree to the foregoing, and to the best of my knowledge and belief the information on the application form is true and correct, and click here on the I agree. So after clicking on I agree, you can see a page like you have to fill your digital signature. So here you can see your date and time, and put the place here and enter your full name below the place, and validate the captcha you will find here. And after done with all these things, just click on the submit tab here. So in this way you can fill this form of Infosys opportunity for system engineer position. So in this way we have seen complete information regarding this Infosys off-campus drive for all the 2019 and 2020 grads. So we saw all the things like eligibility criteria, how one can apply for this opportunity, the educational qualifications, the streams which are eligible, and we also saw the exam process, like what are the sections they cover under the exam. So in this way we have seen complete information. I have also provided the link for the application form in the description box of the video. Just if you are willing to apply, go through this video, understand the things, and click on that apply button, apply link in the description box. You will be just redirected to the application form. Just fill all these things, and if you come across any type of query, just don't forget to mention all your queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all your queries ASAP, and I come up with these kind of opportunities and informative videos on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel It will mean a lot to me if you guys subscribe and share this video with your fellow friends who are looking for good opportunities. And we'll meet in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.